Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's your host, this Craig. We're gonna get right back into this with Sons of the Forest Part 7. So I recorded a video, and it was about 19 minutes long, and it stopped. It was a full hour long. I'm again having problems with the recordings. I'm trying. I really and truthfully am. But I've got it sorted out. I just run out of space on my hard drive, but I've got everything taken care of now, so we should be fine. So, the episode that would have aired, we were able to find the revolver. We were also able to find the winter jacket, which I have on now, I believe. Oh, there it is. It's the winter jacket. We were also able to find, we found something else. Oh yeah, some new blueprints. We found this one, which this appears to be where you can upgrade your weapons. And we found this one, which seems to be some type of trap. So it looks like, really and truthfully, we're missing three blueprints left, and then we've got it. We've got all of them. So, the two green circles you see top of the screen, up near the time, they were just small cellophite caves. They weren't nothing to them too much. The green GPS puck, that was a small camp with tents. I found a video, which I will show you guys.
Wakey, wakey. Look at them, trying to get away. Not today. Another one. Oh. Boy. Kiss.
So we found that, and we also found this Adventure Pro pickaxe. So we found it. We were able to collect some cellophite. It's over here. You can hold 20 at a time on your person. We also found another piece of the artifact. So if you look, we are at 6 out of 7, man. You know? So I tried putting all the pieces together. We're clearly missing one. But that piece of paper, if you recall, it said I found all 6 pieces. I've killed the rest. Yeah, here it is. We found it and broke it into 6 parts. I've killed the others. So 6 parts. But if you look at the bottom, there's a line drawn down like there's another part. So I don't know how we're going to find that, or if we're going to find that. I mean, I would imagine they're not going to just make it where you can't. But we'll get that figured out. That's not a problem. Don't worry, we'll sort that out. So like I said, yeah, it sucks. But we really didn't miss a whole lot. We cleared the cave over here, which has got the house symbol by it. That's where we found the pickaxe and stuff. So if you're looking as far as map relation, that space over there by the big camp, the river, the ocean, this is where you're dealing with. So either way, so for this episode, we're going up there underneath the north symbol. We're going to go to that camp up there, that cave, excuse me. We're going to look around that, and then we are going to go to home base, deposit some stuff, and I'm thinking we're gonna start building our house. We're gonna get that taken care of. We're gonna start doing that. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here. We've made it to the cave. Bit of a journey, but we made it. What do we got? What do we got? This paper. The others are resting below. As in, like, the other members of his team or the other something else. Hopefully his team. His team, okay. Oh my god! It's a claw! Okay. Nifty, I guess. Fellow was drinking some booze when he died. Oh man! Ah, goodness gracious! Get that under control, dude. You got a long way to go today. See an orange wrench up there. Try to get to that. Oh, wow. Check that out, buddy. Thing got a blade on the front of it. A box blade. Heck yeah, man. Does it work like a blade? Oh, hell yeah, it does. This thing is dangerous. Go check the cabin out. Metal drums, okay. Screw me. What do we got here? Alright. She's in timeout. Priest outfit. Okay, a couch. Okay. What is that? Oh. Guess that's the person out here. Check this out real quick. Nothing? Nothing? Okay. Alright. Very cool, I guess. Alright, let's see if we can get up there to that orange marker. Show it just right up here so we can get up here real fast. Okay. A rock there. Oh! 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 but I can't see him.
Oh, a 3D printer. I don't think I can make anything. I can start making these. Jesus Christ, I had a lot, I guess. And I was full, so that makes sense. But jeez. Make as much of that tech mesh as I can.
Where's that mark at? Sky? This guy. We'll mark this one. And see if we can mark this one a little differently because it's kind of close to base and it's got a 3D printer above ground. Just okay, I don't need the shotgun. I need the GPS puck. We're going to label it with a flag. So I don't know how many pieces of that I need to make tech armor. I had that picture on the wall, but I didn't take a screenshot of it. I probably should have. Where's it at? Here it is. Let's see. Oh, one piece. Wire. What is it? Tape, a board, and batteries. Tape, a batteries. Huh. Kind of neat. I don't have many batteries. I mean, I do back at base, but it's not going to help me that they're at the base, you know. I'll just make as many as we can. Which I think it takes 250 to make one. I don't know if we'll get this one completed or not. Yep. Okay. All right. So, we're going to head back to base, because I don't really see anything else up here. Yep, we're going to head back to base and go from there. I just don't feel like trying to drive that golf cart down this cliff and it flipping and doing what it's doing. We're just going to leave it there. It is what it is. I got a golf cart down here, and I don't use them very often, and I can just use this anyway, so. Alright. Homes never look so sweet, boy. It's good to be back. What's up, Kelvin? Did you miss me, bud? He's picking up stones. Oh, he filled it up! Look at that! Nice job, Kelvin. Nice job, brother. I'm so proud of you. Alright, let's save real quick. So we are home. take our batteries out. Put those down, so those will save. Deposit what we can. Oh. Oof. He looked a little different. Weird to see a mutant out though, like that. I mean, not completely weird. I'm not fixing to go out there and say, hey, that's for sure. Put some of these watches down. We're gonna put... So where do we want to start storing sulfite? That's food. You know, we're just gonna take these. We're gonna make these top shelf. Oh, that sounds terrifying. All right, bud. That's starting to get annoying. Oh, he's in the base. Oh, shotgun ammo. I get him? Come on, let me up. Oh, I got him. All right. There's enough of that. So I think we're going to just use sulfite here for now. I mean, we can carry 20. Oh, you can only stack 6 at a time. So yeah, we're definitely going to do that. Alright. So... from here, what do we want to do? So I'm thinking it's about time we build our home. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's about time we finally build a house. So let's look at a design first. Is this going to be too much or the right amount? Thinking 3 wide's probably going to be a good number. Three wide, yeah. That still gives us plenty of walk room around here. Do I want a porch? I imagine it would look a little weird without it having a porch, you know? Let's see, how much room does that give us? I mean, that's still enough, I think. Yeah, we'll go porch. Alright. So we're looking at a 3x3, or a 2x3, with a porch. We thinking 1-story, 2-story. So if we do 2-story, we're probably going to want to do the staircase outside. Because we're just not going to have much living space. So maybe the staircase right here goes up, platform. Yeah, we'll do that. So we're 2 stories. All right. Yeah. So we're going to do 2-story, 3x3. We'll do bedroom second. We'll do bedroom second floor, bottom floor. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. We're probably gonna like put a lot of like trophies and our heads and maybe a fireplace and stuff like that downstairs. So that's what we'll do. The bottom floor is gonna be like a lodge. The top floor is gonna be our bedroom. All right, I like that. All right. So, I am going to cue a montage, give you guys some music to listen to. I'll speed this up while you can watch it, and I'll see you once we're, I guess, finished.
To a new tomorrow. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Alright guys, so unfortunately this is all I have time for today. As you can see, I got quite a bit done. Our interior for our little lodge thing, it's completely done. It's ready to go. The second floor, it will be finished in the next episode. I'm hoping we're not going to have any problems with this overhang here. I don't think we will, but we'll see. We'll work through it. But other than that, guys, it's been wonderful. I've enjoyed it. I hope this episode was everything you wanted it to be and more. And if you need anything, like I said, just let me know. Be sure to give me a like and follow. Subscribe if you want to. Of course, only if you want to. Nobody's forcing anybody to do anything. But other than that, I thoroughly enjoy all the love and support that I've been getting so far. I enjoy doing this for you guys. Yeah, just let me know how I'm doing. Until next time, guys, take it easy.